Be Trained is proud to announce to you a new class. This class is called Be Elite Express. Express is a 2-week, high-octane, high-volume class that involves sit-down classroom time and a lot of lab time. In the lab, the hands-on portion of this class is over the top. We have now invested in state-of-the-art equipment, state-of-the-art tools, instruments, recovery equipment, evacuation equipment, gauge sets, meters. Every single workstation is equipped with their own set. This is a great class. Here's what some of our students had to say.
The experience of this class is so professional that it just blows my mind. They teach you from day one the respect of the people you'll be working with, the professional aspects of everything you need to know, from the tools, the way it should be put together from the ground up, from the duct work. You're crazy if you don't take this course and choose another one.
It's a course. I mean, it's no doubt. I mean, it's an awesome program. If you want hands-on experience, I mean, this the place you need to be. I mean, it's fantastic, man, and there's nothing else I'd rather do but to be here.
I was looking for a class to go to, and I actually sent an email asking what the class was about and if you could be licensed after the class. I got a response within an hour. So I knew that it was probably a pretty good class to take, so I took the plunge.
I'm excited about this class. This class offers so much intense study, and we have found out that these participants come out of this class feeling great, learning more, and feeling more confident about their future in the air conditioning industry.
This has been a really good experience. I've learned more in 2 weeks than I think I've learned in a long time. It's been more hands-on experience that I've had than anything else.
I enjoyed that we don't spend all day reading a book. We read a little in the book, but then we get up and we go experience what the book is talking about. And when you have a question, you get one-on-one attention, and you get the answer to that question in terms that you can easily digest.
I had some questions, looked at their website, and it answered most of my questions, but I still wanted to talk to somebody. And so I called and got a hold of Kathy in the office there, and she was amazing. She answered my questions. She gave me some pointers. She answered questions I didn't even have yet. And when that happened, I immediately hung up the phone and signed up.
I'm excited about this class. This class is fun. We are having such a good time with this course. I understand it's daytime, 5 days a week for 2 weeks. It's a lot to ask, but the benefits far outweigh the time spent. Here's what someone else had to say.
The lab is the lab is great. The equipment's really nice. And we're taught really well how to use it.
They made me feel at home. They're great people to be around. The class has just been a wonderful experience for me.
What can I say? It's a great class. Oh, and did I mention the food?
They feed you barbecue, tacos, snacks out the yin-yang.
I can't.
Click on the dial next to this one. Find out more about Be Elite Express. Our schedule is there, and you can also read more about it. If you don't want to read more about it, call us. We'll tell you more about it over the phone. Hope to see you there. Come on, get involved with this. You're going to enjoy it, and you're going to learn a lot of stuff.